Good morning, classmate and Sir Art. Today, I will going to report the world of ideas. The first is the early roots, the second is the 20th century revolution, and the third is the digital and beyond. The IFL integrating our feed. So, in our digital age, it's crucial to be mindful of what we allow to take roots in our minds, as every thought and every we encounter can either strengthen our relationship, our character, and bring negativity. So the mind is quick to receive impressions, and those which are evil will leave their traces upon the character, as L.G. White quotes in the Great Controversy 1902, page 172. We must be vigilant about media consumption, as toxic content like violence, hate speech, and pornography can poison our thoughts, fuel anger, and erode empathy. So be selective to cultivate a healthy digital garden. Be selective, not mindlessly consuming content, those accounts, and watch content that uplifts and inspires you, reflecting your desire, values that walketh with wise men shall be wise, but the compassion of fools shall be destroyed. In Proverbs chapter 13, verse 20. So fill your garden with goodness. Explore uplifting media such as books, music, and documentaries to nourish your spirit and expand your mind, as Ellen G. White suggests, filling your digital and space with positive influences. Develop discerning. Recognize and avoid toxic content like a gardener, and be aware of how media makes you feel. If leaves you angry, anxious, and sarcastic, step away and find something else that brings peace and joy. Connect your minds, connect your roots, nurture relationship, and engage in activities that align with your desires and faith. As happiness is found in God's alone. The next is the evolution of media and globalization. First is the early roots, 15th century to 19th century. So the first is the printing press. Gutenberg, 1940, invention of the printing press revolutionized communication by enabling mass production and information dissemination, whereby extending knowledge, ideas, and uh, cultures beyond geographical boundaries. The second is the telegraph. The Samuel Morse 1837 invention revolutionized long-distance communication, enabling quick news and information travel across continents, whereby promoting global trade, diplomacy, and cultural exchange. The third is the telephone. So Alexander Graham Bell's 1876 patent revolutionized voice communication, enabling real-time communication over long distances, fostering closer relationship between individuals and communities across the border. The next is the radio. Marconi's late 19th century radio invention revolutionized mass communication, enabling simultaneous broadcast of news, entertainment, and propaganda, significantly influencing global politics and culture homogenization. The next is the early film. Initially, a novel laid the foundation for visual storytelling, which later became a powerful tool for cultural exchange and transnational understanding by Mickenkamp, 1995. The second is the 20th century revolution. Television, satellites, and internet accelerating information flow and cultural exchange. exchange. The first is the television. The mid-20th century saw the advent of television, which revolutionized global communication by establishing a shared visual sphere across borders by Gatling 1985. Foster a sense of global communities and interconnectedness. Television programming, often dominated by Western content, spread cultural trends and values, globally contributing to cultural homogenization. However, local adaptations and reinterpretations also emerge, creating hybrid culture forms. The next is the television news broadcast significantly influence global events, public opinions, and political discourse, transforming how individuals understand and engage with the world through their immediate and visual impacts. The next is the television advertising promoted global brands and consumers. Culture leads to transitional capitalism and homogenized consumption patterns. However, it's also enable diverse voice and cultures to be heard. The next is the satellite. So the satellite 1953 launch of Sputnik first marked the beginning of satellite era, revolutionizing telecommunication, enabling instant communication across vast distances, facilitating global trade and diplomacy. So the next is the satellite technology revolutionized international television broadcast by enabling live events and news to be broadcast across the continents, whereby shrinking the world and fostering a shared global experience. The direct broadcast satellite exchange by national information and entertainment monopolizes offering diverse programming from around the world, eroding cultural barriers and promoting a more cosmopolitan media landscape. The satellite technology is crucial in military and intelligence operations, enabling real-time communication and surveillance, raising privacy concerns and putting misuse. The internet. The internet arrival in the 20th century marked a few era of decentralized interactive communication, democratizing information access, and promoting global collaboration and communities. The World Wide Web in its vast resources and hyperlink structures challenge traditional media, monopolizes empowering individuals and become establishment and content creators, resulting in a more diverse media landscape. The email online forums and social media have revolutionized communication and connection across borders, fostering transnational movement and communities based on shared interests and identities. The next is the e-commerce. E-commerce has significantly impacted global trade, facilitating the exchange of goods and services across continents, blurring the lines between national economies and cultures. Internet, despite its potential, faces challenges like digital divides, misinformation, and online manipulation, necessitating navigating these issues and ensuring equity's access to information and technology. Digital age and beyond, rise of social media, mobile technologies, and virtual realities, reshaping how we consume and create contents. The 20th century revolution, 20th, early 21st century. Television emerged in the in the mid-20th century as the primary medium for information and entertainment, fostering a global cultures and significantly influencing public opinion. Satellite launches in the 1960s revolutionized communication and broadcasting, reducing the world's size of facilitating the exchange of information and culture products. The rise of the internet in the late 20th century introduced a decentralized and interactive communication landscape, democratizing access to information and fostering global collaboration and communities. The rise of cable and streaming services and disputed traditional media monopolizes, resulting is a more diverse and fragmented media landscape. By Jenkins 2006. The mobile technology, especially smartphone, has revolutionized global communication and information access, blurring the lines between local and global sphere influences. Coughlin 2013.